To get started with Minecraft PE, first get comfortable with the controls. Tap and hold the arrow icons on the left side of the screen to move, and tap and drag anywhere on the screen to change your view. Tap and hold objects to interact with them. Use the jump icon in the lower right corner to jump, and double tap the circle in the middle of the arrows to crouch. You can adjust world options at any time by tapping the pause button at the top of the screen, then selecting Settings. Here you can change the difficulty, adjust your FOV, and modify other settings. The pause menu also allows you to save and exit the game by tapping Save and Quit at the bottom. Learning how to gather resources is essential. Tap and hold on blocks like wood, dirt, or sand until the on-screen circle fills up to break them. Then walk over the block to collect it. Harder resources like stone or coal require a pickaxe, and using the right tool, like a shovel for dirt or an axe for wood, speeds up collection. Understand the day and night cycle. During the day, you can explore freely, but at night, hostile mobs like zombies, skeletons, and spiders appear and will attack. Some of the more dangerous enemies include creepers, which explode, and endermen, which only attack if you look at them. Placing torches inside and around your shelter provides light and helps keep some monsters away, making it safer to survive through the night.